Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Model paper number 70 and question number 1. Question number 1 is which of the following province of Afghanistan is situated adjacent to Durand line? तो वो है कोसित KHOWST. Which of the following province of Afghanistan is situated adjacent to Durand line, that is Kosit? The first European country to ratify the European Union Constitution, तो वो था इटली. The first European country of ratify the European Union Constitution, that is Italy. Sir Creek issue between Pakistan and India is related to delimitation of a maritime boundary. दोबारा सुने, Sir Creek issue between Pakistan and India is related to delimitation of a maritime boundary. Which country's parliament has the longest membership, that is China? Which of the following international institution was created through Rome Statute July 1, 2002? तो वो था International Criminal Court. Which of the following international institution was created through Rome Statute July 1st, 2002? That is International Crime Court. Next one, MI5. MI5 is the Security Intelligence Agency of UK. MI5 is the Security Intelligence Agency of UK, while MI6 is the Intelligence Agency of Britannia. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west due to rotation of Earth around its axis. Next one, J.K. Rowling, famous character of Harry Potter, is associated with Wizardry. J.K. Rowling, the famous character of Harry Potter, is associated with Wizardry. European Court of Justice is based in Luxembourg. European Court of Justice is based in Luxembourg. The world's largest producer of tea is India. Uranium is extracted in Pakistan from Dera Ghazi Khan. Okay, next one, Maria Montessori name is associated with child's education. Maria Montessori is the name associated with child's education. Last Judgment. Last Judgment is famous painting of Michelangelo. Last Judgment is famous painting of Michelangelo, while Last Supper is the famous painting of Leonardo da Vinci. The Tower of London is on the River of Thames. The Tower of London is on the River of Thames. What is the effect of defect financing on economy, that is inflation? What is the effect of defect financing on economy, that is inflation? The world's first woman prime minister of which country? That was Simiro Bandaranaike from Sri Lanka. Simiro Bandaranaike from Sri Lanka. Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. Next one, day and night are equal at equators. Day and nights are equal at equator. Who among the following personality is the inventor of the system of writing and printing for blind? That is Louis Braille. Who among the following personality is the inventor of a system of writing and printing for the blind? That is Louis Braille. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The incorrect statement is that Plato was disciple of Socrates. Plato was disciple of Socrates. The playground of playing baseball is called diamond. The playground for playing baseball is called diamond. Suez Canal connect Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. 3 islands in the Persian Gulf, Greater Tam, Lesser Tam, and Abu Musa are disputed between Iran, UAE. Iran and UAE. दोबारा सुने. 3 islands in the Persian Gulf, that is Greater Tam, Lesser Tam, and Abu Musa, are disputed between Iran and United Arab Emirates. The highest average male is in Iceland. The highest average male is in Iceland. Which of the following is the oldest barrage? That is a Sakkar barrage. The oldest barrage is Sakkar barrage, and the oldest dam is Varsak Dam of Pakistan. Next, money paid by the government to reduce the cost of producing goods so that their price can be kept low termed as subsidy. दोबारा सुने, money paid by government to reduce the cost of producing goods so that their price can be kept low termed or subsidy. Pakistan largest gas fired power plant is in UCH power plant. उसका नाम है UCH power plant. दोबारा सुने, Pakistan largest gas fired power plant is the UCH power plant. Next one, the World Cup Cricket 2017 will be played in West Indies. The World Cup Cricket 2007 is played in West Indies. Strength of Federal Shariat Court in Pakistan is 8 judges. The strength of Federal Shariat Court in Pakistan is contain 8 judges. Bala Hizar Fort, the elevated fort, is situated in Peshawar. Bala Hizar Fort is situated in Peshawar. The most abundant mineral in the human body is calcium. The most abundant mineral in human body is calcium. The world's largest computer software industrial center is Bangalore. The world's largest computer software industrial center is Bangalore. The process of Pakistan-India compositive dialogue started in February 2004 to resolve the issue of Kashmir, Siachen Glacier and Wular Barrage. दोबारा सुनें, the process of Pakistan India compositive dialogue started in February 2004 to resolve the issue of Kashmir, Siachen Glacier and Wular Barrage. Okay, Miran Shah is the main town of North Waziristan. Miran Shah is the main town of North Waziristan. Next one, 8 September every year is observed throughout the world एज आ इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी डे. दोबारा सुने, 8 सितंबर हर रोज़ मनाया जाता है, हर साल मनाया जाता है इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी डे के तौर पे. After the promulgation of 1973 Constitution, the first Chief Justice of Lahore High Court was Justice Sardar Muhammad Iqbal. दोबारा सुने, after promulgation of 1973 Constitution, the first Chief Justice of the Lahore High Court was Justice Sardar Muhammad Iqbal, who is known as the father of modern astronomy, that is Nicola Copernicus. दोबारा सुने, who is the father of modern astronomy, that is Nicolaus Copernicus. Which of the following state is called the Gate of Tears, that is state of Babel Mandib. दोबारा सुने, which of the following state is called the Gate of Tears, that is Strait of Babel Mandib. Strait of Babel Mandib. The Middle East News Agency MENA is of Egypt. The Middle East News Agency is of Egypt. Cathay Pacific is the airline of Hong Kong. Which of the following country is situated in the Scandinavian region, that is Denmark, Norway and Sweden. दोबारा सुने, which of the following country is situated in the Scandinavian region, that is thrice Denmark, Norway and Sweden. Next one, the land of Thunderbolt is called Bhutan. Land of Thunderbolt is called Bhutan. The rebel group Mozait are struggling to overthrow the monarchy and replace it with the republican system in Nepal. दोबारा सुने, the rebel group Mozait are struggling to overthrow the monarchy and replace it with the republican system in Nepal. Confucianism is a religious mythology of China. Confucianism is a religious mythology of China. World largest salt lake is Caspian Sea. The world largest salt water lake is a Caspian Sea. Pakistan has recently been given observer status in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO). Pakistan has recently been given observer status in Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Next one, Karakoram Desert is in the Central Asian states of Turkmenistan. दोबारा सुनिए, Karakoram Desert is in the Central Asian state of Turkmenistan. Genova, Genova. Genova is a seaport of Italy. Genova is a seaport of Italy. Dragon is the national symbol of China. Which of the following part of the human body is affected by malaria, that is spleen? Ornithology is a scientific study of birds. Which is the most ancient civilization of the world, that is Sumerian. The most ancient civilization of the world is Sumerian. West Indies consist of almost 700 islands. दोबारा सुने, West Indies consist of almost 700 islands. The lighthouse of Alexandria is located in Egypt. Which dynasty come first in sequence, that is a Khaliji dynasty. Which dynasty come first in sequence? The name is Khaliji dynasty. Okay, next one, which of the following international organization has no headquarter, that is a G8. G8 का कोई headquarter नहीं है. G8 का कोई headquarter नहीं है. Israel has constructed a concrete wall to divide the Palestinian in a West Bank. Israel has constructed a concrete wall to divide the Palestinian in a West Bank. Oasis is associated with desert. Which of the following gas illuminates signs, that is neon. दोबारा सुने, which of the following gases illuminates signs, SIGNS, that is neon. The Red Cross organization was founded by J.H. Durant. Red Cross organization was founded by J.H. Durant. The term of office of Judge of International Court of Justice is for 9 years. The prime meridian passes through Britannia. The prime meridian passes through Britannia. Which of the following planet has the maximum number of satellites, that is Jupiter? The largest share of revenue recipients of the federal government come from general sales tax. दोबारा सुनें, the largest share of revenue receipts of the federal government comes from general sales tax. Next one, Diego Garcia is an American naval base is in Indian Ocean. Diego Garcia is an American naval base in Indian Ocean. The world oldest capital is Damascus. The world oldest capital is Damascus. Synagogue is a place of worship for Jews. Synagogue is a place of worship for Jews. Okay, यहूदियों के लिए. Next है, the first space shuttle launched by यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑन अप्रैल 12, 1981. उसका नाम था कोलंबिया. द फर्स्ट स्पेस शटल लॉन्च्ड बाय USA on 12 April 1981 was a Colombia. Which of the following town of Balochistan is located nearest to Iran border? That is a Nokandi. Which of the following town of Balochistan is located nearest to Iran border? That is a Nokandi. Next one, the largest number of women nominated for Nobel Peace Prize in 2005 are from India. The largest number of women nominated for Nobel Peace Prize in 2005 are from India. Secretary General of SAARC Q.A. Rahim belong to Bangladesh. Secretary General of SAARC Q.A. Rahim belong to Bangladesh. Next one, which of the following militant organization has recently announced to become a political movement and give up arms struggle? That is a Irish Republican Army. दोबारा सुने, which of the following militant organization has recently announced to become a political movement and give up arms struggle? That is a Irish Republican Army. The equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn all runs through the continent of Africa. दोबारा सुने, the equator, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn all runs through the continent of Africa. Who introduced the principle of the doctrine of Laplace? That is a dollhouse. दोबारा सुने, who introduced the principle of doctrine of Laplace? That is by dollhouse. A place where government record are kept is called archives. A place, वो जगह जहाँ गवर्नमेंट के रिकॉर्ड संभाले जाते हैं उसे कहते हैं archives. Symbol of which of the following is a white flag? That is a truce. Symbol of which of the following is white flag? That is truce. Howard University was established in USA in 1636. Princeton University is a famous university of USA. Princeton, P-R-I-N-C-E-T-O-N. Princeton University is a famous university of USA. Pisa Tower is located in Italy. Pisa Tower is located in Italy. Hezbollah, Islamic Party of Lebanon, was established in 1982. Hezbollah is a Islamic Party of Lebanon was established in 1982. IBM is a computer company of USA. IBM is a computer agency of USA. Which of the following provide constitutional guarantee of personal freedom? That is a word of habeas corpus. दोबारा सुने, which one of the following provide constitutional guarantee of personal freedom? That is right of habeas corpus. What is Red Square situated? Sorry, where is Red Square situated? It is situated in Moscow. Where is Red Square situated? It is situated in Moscow. Next one, fear of foreigners. Fear of foreigners is known as xenophobia. Fear of foreigners is known as xenophobia, जिसे आप strangers, fear of strangers, xenophobia. First chairman of Sparco was Dr. Abdus Salam. First chairman of Sparco, SPARCO, was Dr. Abdus Salam. Which of the following country was integral part of USSR until December 1991 but had separate United Nations membership? That is a Ukraine. दोबारा सुने, which of the following country were integral part of USSR until December 1991 but has separate United Nations membership? That is Ukraine. CNN. CNN stands for Cable News Network. CNN Cable News Network. Which of the following language is spoken by the largest number of persons? That is Chinese. Which river in the world carries the maximum volume of water? That is Amazon. China has most land border with how many countries? That is 16. Thanks for watching.